Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the overflow error and how we can handle overflow error in Python. So before we try to write any code, let's understand about the overflow error first, what exactly it is. So an overflow error in Python occurs when a numerical operation produces a result that is too large to be represented within the available memory space. Imagine you are trying to fill a cup with water, but you keep pouring until the cup overflows and spills everywhere. Similarly, when a number exceeds the maximum limit that can be handled by Python's floating point number, and an overflow error will be raised. For example, if you are performing calculation involving large exponentials, such as raising a number to a very high power, the result might exceed Python's capacity to represent it, and to handle such situation gracefully, we can use exception handling to catch the overflow error and take appropriate action, such as using an approximation or notifying the user that you are having an overflow error. So let's take a simple example that I want to like take an exponential value of 1000. This might cause an overflow error, right? So let me save this file first, and let me put something like this: import math, and then I'm going to say math.exp, which is nothing but the exponential formula, and then I'm going to put 1000 over here. Okay, so if I run it, I'm getting the overflow error over here. Now, to handle such issue, I'm going to put it into try block, saying that try this math.exp with 1000, and if there is an error, catch it into this except block, saying that overflow error, and then I'm going to print saying that hey user, an overflow error occurred, the number is too large to be represented. So now if I run it, I'm getting this message. So what's happening in this code? In this code, the Python attempts to compute the exponential of 1000 using the math.exp function. This operation results in an overflow because the value is too large to represent it. The except block catches this error and prints a helpful message, allowing the program to handle the situation gracefully without crashing or without giving the error. This approach ensures the program remains robust and user-friendly even when the encountering extreme numerical values. So this is how basically you can use the exception handling with overflow error. Happy learning and see you in the next video.